अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हमारा कोड है PHY 101 इंट्रोडक्शन टू फिज़िक्स रियल क्विज़ के स्क्रीनशॉट्स। इसके हम सिर्फ MCQs का जो पार्ट है ये रीड करेंगे। तो ऑलमोस्ट मेरे पास 30 क्वेश्चंस हैं, जल्दी से इसको रीड करते हैं। द प्रेफिक्स मेगा मीन्स ऑप्शन 10 raised power 6. Two bodies are falling with negligible air resistance side by side above a horizontal plane. If one of the bodies is given an additional horizontal acceleration during its descent, इसका आंसर आपने देना है इट स्ट्राइक्स द प्लेन एट द सेम टाइम एज द अदर बॉडी। ऑप्शन ए है। Next, an object moves in an aircraft at constant speed. The work done by the centripetal force is zero because the centripetal force is perpendicular to the velocity. Next question. Two bodies A and B have equal kinetic energies. The mass of A is 9 times that of B. The ratio of the momentum of A to that of B is 3:1. Next question. In simple harmonic motion, the restoring force must be proportional to the displacement. 10 seconds after an electric fan is turned on, the fan rotates at 300 revolutions per minute. Its average angular acceleration is 3.14 रेड ओवर S2। ये इसको आप रीड कर लीजिए। बहरहाल ऑप्शन 1 इसका है आंसर। द सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी कोइंसाइड्स विद द सेंटर ऑफ मास। आंसर है इफ़ द एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी इज़ यूनिफॉर्म ओवर द बॉडी। द अल्टीमेट स्ट्रेंथ of a sample is the stress at which the sample breaks. The units of electric field are J/M. If 500 J of work is required to carry a charged particle between 2 points with a potential difference of 20 volt, the magnitude of the charge on the particle is 12.5 C. Let Q denote charge let Q denote charge, V denote potential difference and U denote stored energy. Of these quantities, capacitor in parallel must have the same V only. V mean potential difference. A magnetic field exerts a force on a charged particle if the particle is moving across the field lines. Next question. A capacitor in an LC oscillator has maximum potential difference of 15 volt and a maximum energy of 360। ये कुछ फिज़िक्स का सिंबल है, म्यू बोलते हैं या जो भी है, जे। एट ए सर्टन इंस्टेंट द एनर्जी इन द कैपेसिटर इज़ 40 म्यू जे। एट दैट इंस्टेंट व्हाट इज़ द इंड्यूस्ड इन द इंडक्टर 5V। मैं इसको थोड़ा विजिबल करने की कोशिश करता हूँ, कुछ पार्ट इसका मिसिंग है। सॉरी, आई थिंक ये क्वेश्चन के अंदर ही मिसिंग है। बहरहाल आपको क्वेश्चन का कुछ ना कुछ आइडिया हो गया होगा। आंसर है हमारा 5V। द यूनिट्स ऑफ मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल मोमेंट आर एम्पेयर डॉट मीटर स्क्वायर। ऑप्शन सी। द रिलेशन, ये एक फिज़िक्स की कुछ क्वांटिटी दी हुई है, इसको आप रीड कीजिए और आंसर है इसका आंसर बी। फॉलोइंग आर दी वेज बाई विच लाइट कैन इंटरेक्ट विद मैटर एक्सेप्ट इंटरफेस। पोलराइजेशन मीन्स to guide the light in only one direction. Waves from two slits are in phase at the slits and travel to a distance screen to produce the third side maximum of interference pattern. The difference in the distance traveled by the wave is two wavelengths. Which of the following electromagnetic radiations has photons with the greatest energy? X-rays. Which of the following electromagnetic waves have photon with the ये repeated questions है. A basic postulate of Einstein's theory of relativity is the laws of physics must be the same for observers moving with the uniform velocity relative to each other. If h is the Planck constant, then h is h over 2 pi. Two events occur simultaneously on the x-axis of reference from frame S. One at x is equal to minus a and the other at x is equal to plus a. According to an observer moving in the positive x direction, the event at x is equal to plus a occurs first. How fast should you move away from 6.0 by 10 raised power 14 Hertz light source to observe waves with a frequency of 4.0 by 10 raised power 14 Hertz? 38C. In a photoelectric effect experiment at a frequency above cutoff, the stopping potential is proportional to the energy of the most energetic electron after it is ejected. In Compton scattering from stationary particles, the maximum change in wavelength can be made smaller by using more massive particles. A free electron and free proton have the same kinetic energy. This means that compared to the matter wave associated with the proton, the matter wave associated with the electron has a longer wavelength and the same frequency. A large collection of nuclei are undergoing alpha decay. The rate of decay at any instant is proportional to the number of undecayed nuclei present at that instant. The innermost part of the Sun is known as core. The center of gravity is the average location of dash of an object, weight of an object. ये हमारा लास्ट क्वेश्चन था. मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है, अगर मेरा चैनल आपके लिए बेनिफिशियल है तो प्लीज़ इसको सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए. बहुत शुक्रिया.